Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to fix TikTok sound remove. Okay, now the first thing that you'll need to do is just to open your TikTok application on your device. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, and then click on settings and privacy. And then from there, you'll just have to scroll down until you see the report a problem option. Then tap on it. Okay, now scroll down again all the way to the bottom and then tap on submit a report. Okay, so you'll just have to type out your concern here. So for example, this one, so you could just copy this and then after that, just click on submit to send your report to the help center. And then right after sending your report, you'll just have to wait for about 48 hours or a week about the reply from the help center. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.